Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. And dear students, this is Teacher Adam. So this lesson is a continuation of our previous lesson. I gave you some homework in our last lesson. I wanted you to do the questions from 5 to 15. I hope you've done it. Please don't do this lesson or don't listen to this lesson if you haven't done from question 5 to 15 and you've written your answers. This is a revision lesson. We go through the questions together. So when I answer it, you can compare it with your answers, and then you can know whether your answer is correct or not. So let's get started. So the question is, are you busy? So there's a woman there. She's being asked a question. A questioner, someone is asking her a question. Marka ardayda sharafta badan oo macallin ku soo dhawaada casharkan wuxuu ku xiran yahay casharkii hore ku xiran yahay. Casharka hore maxaan ku raadayay shaqaynii diray oo ahayd inaad ka shaqeysaan. Waxaan ka shaqeeyay 1 ilaa 4 baan ka shaqeeyay. Waxaan doonayay inaad ka shaqeysaan 5 ilaa 15 baan doonayay inaad ka shaqeysaan. Marka casharkan ha u soo gudbin oo casharkan hana dhageysan adigoon ka shaqeyn 5 ilaa 15 si jawaabahooda qoran aad maxaan ku raadayay aad isku barbar dhigto. saan uga shaqeyn doonaysa adiga uga shaqeysay tan aad saxday tad khaladeen aad khalado tan aad saa ku wax barato marka wax badan ku sahlaysa hadoo la yiraahdo. marka sidaas samee marka aanu bilowno ka shaqeynta su'aalaha. Su'aasha ugu horeysa waxaad arkaysaa you see a woman here, a woman seated. So this woman, she's being asked a question. gabadha meesha fadhida su'aal baa la weydiinaya. Dadana su'aasha la weydiiyay ka jawaabaysa. Marka su'aasha la weydiiyo waxa weeye, are you busy? Are you busy? Are you busy? miyaad mashquulsan tahay? miyaad mashquulsan tahay? You way halka marka you waxaan nidhi horaan usoo marar badan ma ku soo celceliyay. You waxa la isticmaalaa hal qof aad la hadlayso ama dad badan oo aad la hadlayso. halkan laakiin waxa weeye hal qof aad la hadlayso way halkan horta sawirka waxa nooga muuqda hal qof. ta kale waxay leedahay my homework, shaqa gurigeyda ama shaqadeyda. homework waxa la yiraahdaa oo wax iskuulka laga soo dirayo lagu oranayo su'aalaha ka soo shaqay guriga kaga soo shaqay ama shaqo guri weeyaan. marka waxay tiri my homework. my haday ku tiraahdo halka waxa la isticmaalayaa I. casharka ku soo dhiganay aygalka casharka ku soo dhiganay ma garanayna xusataan. I wa my, he wa his, she wa her, it wa its, we wa our, you wa your, they wa their. casharka ku soo dhiganay I'm fixing my sink. marka casharada ku noqo si kan uu kugu sahlanaado oo kugu fududaado. So I think we were here. We were right here. We were here. So we were here. Are you busy? miyaad mashquulsan tahay? waxay yes I am. Yes I am. Yes I am. haya waan nahay. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. waxaan ka shaqeynayaa shaqo gurigayga. my homework. waxaan ka shaqeynayaa shaqo gurigayga ka shaqeynayaa. Are you busy? Yes I am. I am doing my homework. So you can see here is Richard. We have Richard here. He's trying to wash his clothes. He's putting the clothes into the washing machine. So this is a washing machine and he has clothes here. He's putting the clothes into the washing machine. So we ask about Richard. Richard su'aal ban isagu maxaa ku su'aal baa laga weydiinaya. Is Richard busy? Richard miyuu mashquulsan yahay? Richard waa magac waa inanka magaciisa. Is Richard busy? Is Richard busy? Richard ma mashquul ba? miyuu mashquulsan yahay? His, he way xagga ku soo dhiganay he wa his. marka horena yes he is. Yes he is. Yes he is. He is washing his clothes. He is washing his clothes. Is Richard busy? Yes he is. He is washing his clothes. Richard miyuu mashquulsan yahay? hayo wuu yahay oo mashquulsan yahay. He is washing his clothes. wuxuu meerayaa dharkiisa ayuu meerayaa. halkan waxaad oran kartaa is Mohammed busy? Is Halima busy? Is Farah busy? Is Salma busy? Yes, hadday gabar tahay xagga Salma hadday tahay. Is Richard busy? Yes, she is. She is washing her clothes. Is Muhammad busy? Yes, he is. He is washing his clothes. Like halkan, is Richard busy? Yes, he is. He is washing his clothes. He is Richard busy? Yes, he is. He is washing his clothes. Washing meedhid weeye, hore usoo dhiganay clothes waa dhar. Halkaas sida noo muuqata laba qof ayaan ku aragnaa halkaa. Waa Ed iyo Ruth. Ed iyo Ruth. Ed waa ninka, Ruth waa gabadha. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Are Ed and Ruth busy? Aaba la isticmaalaya marka dad badan laga hadlayo. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Ed iyo Ruth miyay mashquulsan yihiin? Yes, they are. Yes, they are. They are. They are. They are. Hore usoo dhiganay. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Yes, they are. They are painting their garage. waxaad oran kartaa garage ama garage. Labada waa sax. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Yes, they are. They are painting their garage. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Yes, they are. They are painting their garage. Ed iyo Ruth miyay mashquulsan yihiin? Yes, they are. Hayo way yihiin. Way mashquulsan yihiin macnaha. They are painting their garage. Waxa ay rinjiyeynayaan geerashkooga. Geerashka waa meesha gawaarida lagu xarayo ama gawaarida lagu cilad bixiyo. Labada meel baa la yidhahdaa. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Yes, they are. They are painting their garage. You can say, are Muhammad and Halima busy? Yes, they are. They are painting their garage. Are Ed and Ruth busy? Yes, they are. They are painting their garage. They are painting their garage. Is Timmy busy? This boy is called Timmy. He's called Timmy. And this is his dog. This is a dog. This dog belongs to Timmy. His dog. This is his dog. This is Timmy. This is the dog. He has food. He's trying to give the food to the dog. Timmy weeye ninka Timmy weeye. Waxaan halkan jooga waa eygiisa. Marka eyga ayuu siinaya maxay? Eyga ayuu cunto siinaya. Wuu cunto siinaya ama wuu qudanaya. Is Timmy busy? Is Timmy busy? Timmy miyuu mashquulsan yahay? Yes, he is. Yes, he is. He is feeding his dog. He is feeding his dog. Is Timmy busy? Yes, he is. He is feeding his dog. Timmy miyuu mashquulsan yahay? Yes, he is. Hayo wuu yahay. Hayo wuu mashquulsan yahay. He is feeding his dog. Wuxuu quudanayaa eygiisa. His dog. Eygiisa. You can see here is a boy and this is a girl. A boy and a girl. They're probably doing some exercise. They're jumping and doing some physical exercise. So we're talking to them. So I said you micneeda waa adiga ama idinka. Are you busy? Are you busy? Marka maxaa lagu garanaya inay badan yihiin ama hal qof inuu hal qof la hadlayahay ama dad badan la hadlayihiin xaggan baa lagu garanaya. Awa hadday tahay waa tan maxaa ku dadka badana. Hadday ahaan lahayd oo kale maxaan ku raadayay maay hadday ahaan lahayd oo kale halka waxaa noqon hal qof noqon lahayd. Are you busy? Miyaad mashquulsan tihiin? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are doing our exercises. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are doing our exercises. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are doing our exercises. Are you busy? Miyaad mashquulsan tihiin? Yes, we are. Hayo waan nahay oo mashquulsan nahay. We are doing our exercises. Waxaanu sameynaynaa jimicsiga ayaga. Jimicsiga ayaga ayaanu sameynaynaa. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are doing our exercises. You can see there is a boy here and he has a kind of tool there, a screwdriver probably. He's trying to fix his bicycle. Look, you. So this means you then hal qof la hadlay wey, and you can see one person there. Are you busy? Are you busy? miyaad mashquulsan tahay? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. I am fixing my bicycle. Are you busy? Yes, I am. I am fixing my bicycle. I am fixing my bicycle. I am fixing my bicycle. Are you busy? miyaad mashquulsan tahay? Yes, I am. Hayo waan nahay oo mashquulsanahay. I am fixing my bicycle. waxaan hagaajinayaa biskilkayga. Let's move on. So you can see there is a woman there. This woman is trying to wash her car. This is her car. It's dirty. She's trying to clean her car. She's washing her car. And her name is Karen. Is Karen busy? Gabadha Karen miyay mashquulsan tahay? Yes, she is. We use she because there's her there. Her car, here is she. Is Karen busy? Yes, she is. She is washing her car. Is Karen busy? Yes, she is. She is washing her car. Karen miyay mashquulsan tahay? Yes, she is. Hayo way tahay oo mashquulsan tahay. She is washing her car. waxay meedhaysaa gaarigeeda. Is Karen busy? Yes, she is. She is washing her car. And as you can see, there's a man here. He has a rake. This is called a rake. Probably a broom. I think it's a rake. This is a rake. He's trying to gather the dirt and the leaves, the fallen leaves. He's trying to gather and collect the fallen leaves using that rake. This is a tool. It's called a rake. R-A-K-E. He's trying to gather and put all those fallen leaves in one place so he can put it into the bin or somewhere else. And his name is Anwar. This man is called Anwar. Marka kan u haysto geedka u haysto rake baa la yidhaha rake and caleenta ayuu ururinaya meel buu isku keenaya. Is Anwar busy? Is Anwar busy? Yes, he is. He is cleaning his yard. Is Anwar busy? Anwar miyuu mashquulsan yahay? Yes, he is. Hayo wuu yahay ama hayo wuu mashquulsan yahay. He is cleaning his yard. Is Anwar busy? Yes, he is. He is cleaning his yard. Are your children busy? So these are children. There's a young boy and this is a young girl. They are busy. As you can see, they are brushing their teeth. They have got a toothbrush. The boy has a red toothbrush and the girl has a blue toothbrush. And he has the toothpaste. The boy has the toothpaste in his left hand. Probably they're sharing the paste or the toothpaste. The two of them, they're sharing that toothpaste. Are your children busy? Ciyaalkaaga miyay mashquulsan yihiin? Yes, they are. Hayo way yihiin. Way mashquulsan yihiin. Are your children busy? Yes, they are. They are brushing their teeth. Hayo mashquulsan yihiin. Waxay ilkaha way cadayanayaan. Ilkahooga ayahe cadayga maxaa ku rahda ku cadayanayaan. They're brushing their teeth. Way cadayanayaan. Their teeth waa ilkahooga. Halka ilig waxaa la yidhahdaa tooth. Tooth. Waka tooth. Waa T-O-O-T-H. Tooth. Are your children busy? Yes, they are. They are brushing their teeth. Are you busy? So you can see here, there is a man and there is a woman. They're trying to clean their glass windows. They're trying to clean the windows. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are washing our windows. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are washing our windows. Miyaad mashquulsan tihiin? Yes, we are. Hayo waan nahay oo mashquulsan nahay. We are washing our windows. Waxaanu meedhanaa maxaan ku rahdayay daaqadahayada. marka window waa hal daaqad, windows waa daaqado badan weeye. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are washing our windows. Are you busy? Yes, we are. We are washing our windows. Is Wendy busy? Is Wendy busy? Gabadha waxaa la yidhahdaa Wendy. Is Wendy busy? Wendy miyay mashquulsan tahay? Yes, she is. Hayo way tahay oo hayo way mashquulsan tahay. She is reading her email. She is reading her email. Waxay akhriyaysaa emailkeega. Is Wendy busy? Yes, she is. She is reading her email. Is Wendy busy? Yes, she is. She is reading her email. Is Wendy busy? Yes, she is. She is reading her email. Wendy miyay mashquulsan tahay? Hayo way tahay oo mashquulsan tahay. She is reading her email. Waxay akhriyaysaa emailkeega, computerkeega ka akhriyaysaa. Is Wendy busy? Yes, she is. She is reading her email. And our lesson ends there. So dear students, please, I hope you have learned a lot from this lesson. Please share the video, with friends and family, the ones who want to learn English. And please subscribe, comment and like. All of those things will make these videos reach to as many, beginning students as possible. And markaada sharafta badan cashirka halkaa buu nooga egyahay. And videoga la share garaya, maxaa ku dhahdaa asxaabta doonaysa in Englishka bartaan la wadaaga. Subscribe, iyo like iyo comment intoo dhan. Maxaa ku dhahdaa waxay caawinaysaa videoga ama casharada inay gaadhaan arday badan ay gaadhaan u baahan cashiradan. Marka waxaan idinka tegayaa with assalaamu calaykum waraxmatullaahi tacaala wabarakaatuh.